Hi, Syeda here and welcome back to Backyard Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to make a special recipe of chicken sticks. The most important part of this video is I will be introducing one of my pets at the end of the video. Let's start.
Put 50 grams of chicken cubes, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of barbecue powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 egg, some coriander and 2 cloves of garlic.
Now we will blend in the coriander. Now we will put in 2 cloves of garlic. Then we need to put in the lemon juice. Now I will go ahead and get some chilies from my vegetable garden. Here I have the fresh chilies and now I will blend it in. Now we will put in 1 tablespoon of the mixture in the chicken. Then we'll put in half tablespoon of whole spices powder. Then 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then half teaspoon of salt. One tablespoon of barbecue spices. Now we will mix the ingredients together. Chicken sticks are ready and I will put on the breadcrumbs and eggs to make it more crispier. Now I will put the egg on. The sticks are now ready. I will cook it in an air fryer, but you can cook it in a deep fryer or a frying pan and take it out as soon as it is goldenish brown. Now the sticks are in the air fryer and I will cook it for 20 minutes. Now I will invite the special guest. This is our pet bird. I will give a shout out to the person who guesses his name in my next video. The chicken sticks are done. You can use any dip as you like. And don't forget to comment down below on what our bird's name was. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. See you later.